Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool original style Mickey Mouse telephone, and this is Jerome's equipment from Illinois, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now we have a note with this unit, and the telephone does not work. So we want to go ahead and troubleshoot this unit. We want to troubleshoot the main PC board that's associated with all the working parts of the telephone, the hook switch, all the electronic components. We want to troubleshoot that main PC board for any bad components and replace them. We also want to resolder any solder points that are bad and look for broken traces. So we will be going through the entire telephone while it's in the shop. We want to get a start on this unit. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We're going to go ahead and get some still pictures of this really cool Mickey Mouse telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool original style Mickey Mouse telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup that we have attached to the base, and that's so that you can hear the audio from the receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And open amplifiers are prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. And it is pretty quiet today. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. It is pretty quiet today. Now what we can do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, Every time you see that red light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out, we have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Friday, December 28th. The current time, 2:43 p.m. And the temperature, 30 degrees.
We'll go ahead and hang up. We'll call one other number. We'll call my number, and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool original style Mickey Mouse telephone has been repaired, we can return them to Jerome and they can enjoy this telephone once again. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.